Here we have the daily chart for SPX. So you can see here, yesterday we have a down day, a big down day here, but nothing out of the ordinary. We continue to be on an uptrend, and here we continue to be looking for higher prices. As I said before, I'm starting to get neutral in the market and even bearish. The reason here is not SPX but other indices, like as you can see here, the Nasdaq. Here we have the Qs. We try to break out here, but basically we're failing every attempt we have here on the Nasdaq to break out. As you can see here, our upper target here, we break out, try to go, but there we fail. And on the downside we have this upward trend line here, which is closing out here. So basically it looks like we're going to have either a breakdown or a breakout. We have tried to break out several times, as you can see here, but none of them have been able to be successful. That leads me to believe that we're going to go lower here, looking for the 50-day moving average around 67.78. That's gonna be my target on the Qs. So pretty much neutral here. For IWM, yesterday we have a big down day here, and as you can see here, we're starting to break again lower. We have an upward trend line here, and it's starting to collapse here. If we break lower today for IWM, I'm looking for lower prices and testing around the 90 level, 88.5. So that's going to be important. If we break this level, I'm getting bearish on IWM. For GLD, we're pretty flat here on GLD, doing basically nothing here, consolidating around the 154 level. I want to come here and test this 150 again and break it to the downside, but looks like gold is so far holding, so neutral here. For SLV, we broke down on SLV yesterday, and you can see here we broke lower. I'm still looking for lower prices, 26 and 25, but first I think we're gonna have some support around 26.40. We're right now lower on the pre-market at 26.85, so pretty much going lower again today. If we go to stocks, here we have the Apple charts getting killed lately. As you can see here, we were down yesterday to 428.9. We failed here to break out, and we just started to go lower. I think we're coming to test this 419 level, which was the 52-week low we placed here on March. And then if we're not able to hold that level into the close, I think we're eventually coming to 400. And if we do not hold 400, 470 is going to be important. One important thing to look at, if we go to the weekly chart for Apple, the 150-week moving average is right now at 428. That's going to be important. As you can see here, it has been support lately. If we break here, we're going to the 200-week moving average. So that's where I get my 370 target. That's going to be on a long-term basis, of course. Now let's go at Google. Here we have the Google chart, and it was going up yesterday. We've been drifting lower. I think we're bullish here. You could get long around the 50-day moving average of 70.89. Let's call it 790 with a very tight stop. I would not get long around the 804 level, which is the level trading right now. I would let it drift lower, or the 50-day move higher. So one of the two of them. I'm bullish, but I wanted to get a better entry price with a tight stop. On Amazon, here we have Amazon chart going higher today. Yesterday we went lower, and I would get bearish on the 50-day moving average here with a very tight stop also, but I'm not on this trade. Facebook. Here we have Facebook going basically flat here. We're hanging tough around this 200-day moving average. I would be bullish with a very tight stop above the 2472 level. That's gonna be the line in the sand for me. That's what I'm looking so far for Facebook.